have no tension on her leash, so she's pulling at her own rate right now. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Pulling it up a little bit of a hill. Got no tension on her leash, so she's doing that all herself. By her own will. All right, let's go. Come on. I don't think you can make it up the rest of the hill, though. Good thing this guy right here lets us graze. You have to come across the river. Silly sheep. I hate getting their hooves wet. Yeah, I'll park right here. I love it when my Missy chews her cud. I'm like right up next to me because I'm not petting her, so she tries to get me to pet her by just getting closer and closer. And yeah, I just realized that she was breathing on me. I like it when you breathe on me. I like it when you chew your cud. I love the sound of them chewing their cud, and I love the look of them enjoying their cud. I should do. I love the look of you enjoying your cud. Good sheep. Good donkey. Alright, got a new cheese. It's a bloomy rind. Let's see how it is. Beautiful. Interesting. Smoking cheese is freaking interesting. This isn't even a very aged cheese, but it's already got more flavor than any of my aged cheeses because I smoked it. It's got like just a lot of, I don't know how to describe it, but the smoke flavoring creates body in the flavoring. It's not even specifically a flavor, it just creates body, like being in the taste. I don't know how to describe that. That's good cheese. Awesome. I'm gonna integrate this tub along with 2 other tubs that I'll nest together and store in my wagon, and when we're stopped I can set them out and they can be benches for 2 people on either side, so 3 of them could sit 6 people with the lids on top, and they can provide so much, like winter wet season storage outside the wagon. Having 3 of them is going to be perfect for processing my wool into the perfect size felts. Alright, taking a bath in my new bathtub. This summer I got a deeper bathtub. It's a little bit smaller in its length and width, but it's deeper. Oh, so dirty. This water's gonna be gross by the end of it once I start rubbing myself clean. Water, thank you. Dirty bath water. Not too dirty. I just took a bath yesterday. I've been taking one every other day. Shower or bath. If not every day. Now that I got a bathtub to switch it up with, I like the baths a little bit more than showers, I think. It's a better clean. A lot more water usage though. It's the most easily and well preserved wild edible green that I know of. This purslane has been in this bag for 4 days now, and it hasn't even started to wilt. It's amazing. It's amazing. No refrigeration. It's been in this paper bag for 4 days in 90-degree temperatures. No refrigeration. That's crazy. There's been a couple of comments from subscribers wanting to know how I exactly cook with this Gosun. I cook multiple different things in one tray, and there is a little bit of strategy behind that. I put in my garlic, onions, and potatoes and parsley leaf in the Gosun first. I had it all pushed to the back because it gets hottest at the back, and at the opening it's the coolest. So I cooked everything the quickest at the back, and I just used my spoon to pull everything forward, but not all the way forward, because I want there to be enough room for an egg or two up front, because this is the coolest spot, and I like my eggs to be the rarest, I guess. I like it when they're jammy and they're barely starting to solidify the yolk. So I'll cook that there, and then I open up the back half, the hottest part, for me to put a piece of bread and put my grilled cheese. All right, I'm gonna use one of these quarters. So we got 3 cheeses, and I think I'm gonna crack a 4th cheese. This is the cheese that I've been aging without a refrigerator. Let's crack one of these. Smells good. It smells sweet. Let's check this out. Cool. Took this one a little bit further than the last one. This one's salted and it's smoked. This will be interesting. Let's see what it tastes like. I aged this cheese for about 4 weeks without refrigeration. It's smoked. Not salted enough. That's good though. I think if it had salt in it, it needs like twice as much salt. Gosun's starting to hiss. He is done. Oh yeah, grilled cheese. It's all stringy. Beautiful. Wow. There's no smoke flavoring in that cheese or in this last cheese. But this cheese has smoke in it, and this has smoke flavoring in it, and it's freaking amazing. Yeah, my smoked grilled cheese is gonna be crazy. Off the hook. This cheese is so good at the end. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Look at all that fat. Look at all that ghee. Look at all that sheep ghee. Oh my goodness, it's almost translucent. Look at all that sheep ghee. Yeah. I love the morning before the air movement picks up and I'm not able to do this any longer. It's 9:30 a.m. Wind starts picking up about now to noon. Somewhere in there. I love blackberries. Still a little early for most of them. Yeah, I'm getting there. Freaking awesome. I just give them a little twist or a little tilt and see if they let go. If they don't, then I don't try to push it, because then they're not going to taste good. Only the loose ones are sweet.